folks, Anthony.Fuller. Going to show you today the Rocky Mountain Jayco 248. What is this? The RBSW. Comes with the power lift jack, power tongue jack, and you get the nice two big propane tanks. Follow me. Nice storage, goes all the way through. Then comes with the power awning. You get the speakers on the outside. The Jayco comes with the 2-year limited warranty. Follow me on this one. You get an outside kitchen on this one. It doesn't come with the fridge, but it does have a grill or 2 burners, and it comes with the sink. All right. Rocky Mountain's my favorite one because I'll show you why. If you come, as you come in, you'll notice that it has a couch right here. A lot of customers are wanting couches instead of just a dinette, so they're finding great innovative ways to add a couch to a lot of the trailers so people can lounge, sit down, watch a movie, hang out with your family, and have a good time camping. Then if you step over here, you have the nice size dinette also, where you could be playing video games, board games. Our favorite is Jenga when we go out, and I always win. Follow me, guys. Nice big bed. Sleep, everyone. Have fun in here. Got the cross breeze windows right here, create a nice cross breeze. You could still communicate with everyone sitting here while everyone is out having fun. Of course, you got your storage up here, and you have your 2 hanging closets. What you're gonna like is this. Check this out. So you get a really nice sized restroom in here. You can actually move around, but this is what I really want you to look at. Look at that. So you can put all your clothes right there, and there's a pretty big storage spot for clothes, and you actually have a real medicine cabinet. Of course, take care of your business in here. Of course, you got the Norco fridge, lots of room, big freezer, and of course, microwave, hood, 3 burners, and you get the grill. I mean, not the grill, the oven. And you got a double sink with more storage over here. You're gonna really love this trailer. It's a short trailer, it's 24 feet. This is where your entertainment system goes right here. You got the Bluetooth stereo where you can operate from your phone, play the speakers on the inside, play the speakers on the outside. So folks, this is a great trailer. 24 foot. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Anthony.Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you. Full of the brush.